Okay, welcome students. I am Prachi Jan and today I am going to explain you poem 3 Gathering Leaves. This poem has been written by Robert Frost, who was a famous American poet. In this poem, he is talking about a leaf gatherer who is busy in his work of collecting dry leaves in sacks. So here, this is the look of the chapter, Gathering Leaves. Spade take up leaves no better than spoons, and bags full of leaves are light as balloons. Spades you can see in the hand of the gatherer in this image. So this is known as the spade. So spade is a tool for that is used for digging or for collecting the dry leaves. You can see here this is a spade, and you can see it is just look like a spoon. So in first paragraph, first two lines, ki spade is the tool which is used for the leaves, and ki from spade I take up the leaves no better than a spoon, which is just look like a spoon, and bag full of leaves are light as balloons. Gather collect the leaves in a sack, and that sack which is full of leaves are as light as a balloon that has not so much weight. The weight of that bag is like just a balloon. I make a great noise of rustling all day, like rabbit and deer running away. As rabbit and deer run on the leaves, and that they are created a sound, I also make a sound when I take up the leaves when I collecting the dry leaves. So rustling is the rustling. What is the meaning of rustling? So rustling is the sound of the leaves. So gather is talking here कि like a rabbit and the deer are run on the leaves, they are creating a noise. I also make a noise when I collecting the dry leaves. But the mountain I raise elude my embrace, flowing over my arm and into my face. In this paragraph, gatherer is showing how difficult his work is. उसका वर्क कितना ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. In this paragraph he is going to explain that. But the mountain I raise, when he gathered the leaf, when he collected the leaves and make a like a mountain, like a heap of the leaves, elude my embrace. Elude means escape from, and embrace means a hug. And when he tried to take up the leaves with his arm, some of the leaves are flown from his arms and some are stuck on his face. So this is the difficult part of the gatherer's job. Next, I may load and unload again and again till I fill the whole shed, and the what I done. Shed is a place in park or the street sides where the leaf gatherer are taking their tools, and a dustbin also is there, and there is some space to keep the bags of leaf. Now you can see this is the image of a shed. You can see here there are some tools, there is a dustbin, and some space are also there where the leaf gatherer can put the bags of leaf bags. So in this paragraph he say I may load and unload. I may load and unload, yani I fill the bags and I unfill the bags again and again. The process has been repeated by the leaf gatherer again and again till I fill the whole shed. And what have I done? और उसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है? Next to nothing for weight. In the last two paragraphs, the leaf gatherer is now going to tell us about a unique quality of nature. This quality is known as the nature's cyclic manner. Nature is behaving like a cyclic manner. Like the leaves are grown up on the trees, then they are weightless, then they are fall and come in contact with earth. They grew duller, there are no use, there are no color on that leaves. Then leaf gatherer collect that all leaves and prepare the manure from that leaves. This manure again used in the in harvesting of the trees, and again the leaves are grown on the trees, again they are full, again the leaf gatherer collect that leaves, again prepare the manure. So this is a process which is going repeated again and again. So this is known as the cyclic manner, cyclic process. Nature has this unique quality and nobody can stop this. So in these paragraphs The leaf gatherer tell us about this. Next to nothing for weight, when the leaves are having no weight, and since they grew duller from contact with earth, next to nothing for color. Then they are fall, when they are having no weight, then they are fall. Come in contact with earth, they grew duller, there are no color on that leaves. Next to nothing for use, there are no use of that leaves. Then I am going to collect them and put them in a sack. But a crop is a crop, and who is to say where the harvest shall stop? And who can say that this cyclic manner, a cyclic process of the natures can be stopped from anybody. This is the meaning of that poem. So hope you will enjoy that. यार हाँ ना